Hey everyone, this is Minhajul Abed, conversion tracking specialist. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can track JotForm using Google Tag Manager and send it as a lead event to the Google Analytics 4. And guys, don't skip any part of this video because if you skip, you might miss how to set up properly. So watch till the end. We'll show you full process step by step. So let's get started. Right now, I am in GTM container account, and basically JotForm is a third-party iframe, so we need to set up a custom HTML tag for JavaScript listener code so that the form can easily listen the code. Okay, so here I have already created a custom HTML tag, and this is our custom JavaScript listener code, and simply just trigger all page. Now let's preview, let's connect, and here as you can see our GTM is successfully connected with our website. This is Tag Assistant. Now let's go to GTM Preview Mode. So here as you can see our custom HTML listener code is successfully fired. Let's go to our JotForm page. This is our JotForm. This is a third-party form. Just simply fill up the form. Let's submit, and there is thank you message showing. Now let's go to our preview mode, and here as you can see we got a page, and this is our JotForm. This is the event. Now we need to create a trigger by this name. Simply just copy the name, go to our GTM container, go to trigger section, create new trigger, select custom event and paste it here and set a name. I just set a name, JotForm trigger. Okay, now save. Now let's go to our tag section because we need to create a tag. Simply just click here new, and I am selecting Google Analytics 4 because we wanted to send our event data to Google Analytics 4. So select GA4 event. Here we need to select our measurement ID. This is our measurement ID. I have created a variable previously, and simply set a custom name. I'm using generate lead underscore JotForm. In my case I'm using generate lead underscore JotForm. In your case you can use any type of name as you wish, but make sure all the characters will be small with underscore. This is basically GA4 recommendation. Okay, and simply set a tag name. I'm using GA4 JotForm. Okay, and just simply trigger our previously created trigger. This is this one. Okay, stay here. This is our previously created JotForm trigger. Okay, now just simply save. Now again let's click on our preview section. Now let's connect, and here as you can see our GTM connected. So go to JotForm. This is the form. Simply again fill up the form. Okay, and here is thank you page showing. Now let's go to GTM preview section. Here is our GTM event, and here as you can see our JotForm is successfully fired. Okay, this is our JotForm event. Now let's go to our GA4 account. This is basically our Google Analytics GA4 account. Just go to debug view option, and this is our debug view, and here as you can see we got an event called generate underscore lead underscore JotForm. So this is our JotForm event. So our full tracking system is perfectly working. It's perfectly comes from our website using Google Tag Manager. So that's the video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. I will put all of my contact information in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comments and share. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.